Today I'm going to show you guys Turbosmart Pro-Gate 50 wastegate in black. I'm going to show you what's inside the box. Kind of go through what they are and what comes with each product. So I am actually going with Pro-Gate 50 with option to put a wastegate opening sensor. Usually it's a valve sensor that kind of gives you an idea how much of your wastegate is being open and etc. So I'm going to just show you what comes with the box. Okay, this is the box for Pro-Gate 50 itself. Okay, right there. CD, decal, the wastegate itself. Show you what that looks like. Flange and the clamp. Flange, I believe, yep, it goes right here, and it's clamp, and I believe this one goes by the exhaust side, and another flange. My guess is with this, and what it seems to be nuts and bolts. Okay, so that's Pro-Gate 50. Next box. Let's go with the top. In order for you to run the sensor, the valve sensor, you need a different cap. So this will be replacing this cap. And the part number for that is TS0502-3011. And this is the sensor. The sensor will then go on top of here, bolt it down, and as you could see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it measures the change in the opening. So that's the sensor. It comes with 3 screws for the top. And the sensor catalog number is TS0502-2008. And then lastly, in order for you to run the sensor, hook up to your ECU or some other device, display device, will be the harness, which is kind of like a pigtail harness that used for the valve or the sensor. And then that part number is TS0502-2009. Okay, and that's pretty much what those 4 boxes entails. Thank you.